This lesson deals with Supplemental Problem 15.3. You can find this problem in the ECE202 ebook in the Chapter 15 Supplemental Problems on page 4. In this supplemental problem, we're going to learn how to measure mutual inductance. Suppose that I measure the inductance between terminals A and D when I short B to C. And suppose that that's equal to 100 microhenries. Secondly, suppose that I short B to D and I measure the inductance between A and C and find that to be 900 microhenries. Can you use those two pieces of data to solve for the mutual inductance? And also, where's the location of the dots? Let's go back to the class notes on page 9. We did a similar problem where we found the inductance looking into this series combination of inductors where we had a dot and then the next connection connected the dot again. All right, then we found that the inductance looking in was the sum of L1 and L2 plus twice the mutual inductance. And if you flip the dots on one of those coils, you get a minus sign. So we're supposed to use that in our solving for M. So we have these two equations from page 9 of the chapter 15 class notes. And we basically have the same equation with a plus and minus M. Now our second measurement had a higher inductance than our first. And that would imply that we have this case because we have a larger value than this one. So L1 plus L2 plus twice the mutual inductance would be equal to 900 microhenries. And then with a minus 2 milli, that would be my 100 micro case. Let me subtract these two equations and I'll lose L1 and L2. Subtracting the second equation then, I get 4 times the mutual inductance, and then I get 900 minus 100 micro, which is 800 micro. So M is equal to 200 microhenries. Okay, now our second measurement was where we found the 900 microhenries where we shorted B to D. So if we were to put the dot here, so we come through our coil and we connect up to the second coil, and that's where the dot was in our example on page 9 of the chapter 15 class notes. And that's how you can find the mutual inductance and where the dots are on the coils. And this is supplemental problem 15.3.